Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. One of the first modifications done to my Scx10 here is the tires. As you can see, I got new tires and wheels. In earlier videos you've seen that I put the tires off the Scx10 onto the temper. In this video I'm going to show you a little bit of the tires that can be done, a little bit of how the tires perform in the sand, that is, this sand pile. Well, we've been hitting it a little bit already. Got a little bit of dirt on there. It's doing pretty well, but as you all know probably, that sand is one of those things that's pretty hard to do anything in without paddles, so let's see how it goes.